I'm Mike Bloom, General Manager here at Twilight Bedding in Spokane. Twilight Bedding has been around now for 24 years. We make all of our beds from scratch. We use USA-made products. There's no imported product in our beds. And the greatest thing about it is we can make any bed, any style for anybody based upon what kind of sleep need they have. Well, we use a lot of manual labor in our beds, which means that we inspect them at every point to the finish line. So the beginning of a bed begins with all these springs. So this here now is the quilt machine, and it quilts the foam and the flame retardant material to the fabric and creates the top panel of the bed. Okay, so this is the final application here, where the bed gets taped up and sewn around all four edges. There's a machine that follows a track on the table, and the tape gets applied at the same time. Okay, so what we have here is on our cutting table, we're cutting skid. Skid goes on the bottom of the bed so the mattress does not move once it's on top of the foundation. So I'd invite everybody down here just to take a peek at our facility and see how we make beds, because the making of a bed is huge because we spend so much time in our beds, and to see the machinery and the technology involved, you're gonna just have a big, huge wow factor on your face when you leave here, because you're going, my gosh, I didn't know there was so much into making a bed, but there really, really is. And Twilight Bedding is your source to have a locally made bed at a great price and delivered to your home. So we're in the box upholstery area, and we're actually putting together a foundation. And when it's all done, it'll come out nice and upholstered with a very nice cover on it. So this is the bottom of the bed.
The box spring.
The box springs, yeah. They used to call them, or they still call them, box springs, when in all actuality now they are just a solid state foundation, because they found out that the bed lasts longer on platforms. And this is what you call a platform. Oh yeah, we all have. So here's the cover being applied to the foundation. Then we secure it down and, of course, upholster the bottom also. And there's your solid state foundation. So this is part of our sewing department. And right now we're making an inner panel to make a bed look like a pillow top. It's all hands-on, rather technical, and you have to be a pretty good sewer.